genocide against the Rohingya minority in the Rakhine state of Myanmar. We extend our deepest gratitude. Assalamu alaikum, dear government of Bangladesh and international community. Today, on 10th August 2024, we are here in front of the world to express something about the ongoing genocide against the Rohingya minority in the Rakhine state of Myanmar. We, the people, extend our deepest gratitude to Bangladesh people, its government, and all the non-government organizations for providing us shelters, food, and so on within Bangladesh. Your kindness and humanity have given us hope in a time when hope is scarce. We request you again for your help to save our people who are being forced to flee and reach to Bangladesh. We also reach out to international community, including the ICJ, OIC, UN, UNHCR, UNICEF, and human rights organizations around the world to bring the light in the horrific ordinary situation being perpetrated against the remaining Rohingya minority in the Rakhine state of Myanmar. Today, we have a million Rohingya stand united to share the heart-wrenching reality of the second wave of genocide that is unfolding before the eyes of the world. In Mangdu and Butidong townships of the Rakhine state of Myanmar, thousands of Rohingya have been subjected to unspeakable atrocities at the hands of terrorist Rakhine rebels group known as Rakhine Army, AA. These brutalities have escalated into a systematic campaign of extermination under the guise of a so-called revolution. On the day of May 17, 2024, the Rakhine Army launched a devastating assault on Butidong township, burning down 800,000 Rohingya houses. This heinous act displaced 200,000 Rohingya people and resulted approximately 1,000 deaths of Rohingyas. The survivors of this massacre, forcibly driven from their homes, have been subjected to slavery-like conditions, forced to serve the group that has annihilated their families and communities. As this wasn't enough, the terrorist Rakhine rebels group AA has shifted its focus to Mangdu Township, where they have unleashed a new wave of genocide against the remaining Rohingyas. In the latest phase of this genocidal campaign, hundreds of Rohingya have lost their lives in drone attacks launched by the Rakhine Army. Recently, as August 2024, around 10,000 Rohingya gathered at the border of Myanmar. They fled to flee to Bangladesh in search of safety. As they tried to cross the North River, which separates Myanmar and Bangladesh, the Rakhine Army launched drone strikes on the gathered Rohingya and the boats carrying them. These attacks resulted in the deaths of approximately 500 Rohingyas, including men, women, children, and the elderly people, whereas thousands more were left seriously injured. According to eyewitness reported that the dead bodies of Rohingya men and women floating on the North River, a haunting testament to the brutality inflicted upon us. The dead bodies of our people floating on the North River cry out for justice. They are a stark reminder of the course of inaction. We call upon the international community to recognize the terrorist Rakhine rebels group Rakhine Army for rating it is a terrorist group committing genocide and to act accordingly. The river now a death for our people. They are silent witness to the ongoing genocide that the world seem unable or unwilling to stop despite the visible evidence of these atrocities. The Rakhine Army continues to deny their actions, spreading lies and misinformation on social media in attempt to hide the truth from the international community. The AU is attempting to erase and eradicate the Rohingya from the Arakan state, hiding behind the false pretense of war and revolution. The aim is clear: to finish what they started and eliminate every last Rohingya from Myanmar. The international community must understand the gravity of this situation. This is not a conflict between equals. It's a systematic campaign of extermination against a defenseless minority. The Arakan Army's actions are not only a violation of international law, but a stand on the concerns of humanity. We do not seek war. We seek freedom, victory, and the right to live as human beings. Our principle: stop the genocide and bring those responsible to justice. We need more than words. We need action. We need to stand up for justice, to protect the innocent, and to end this cycle of violence once and for all. In the past 8 months of 2024 alone, thousands of Rohingya have lost their lives. Hundreds of thousands have been displaced. Their homes reduced to ashes by the terrorists, Rakhine Rebels Group, Arakan Army. This can't continue anymore. The world cannot ever to make anyway. We are appealing to Almighty Allah, to the government of Bangladesh, and to the international community to stop this genocide. Our people have suffered now.